Welcome to Word Embeddings in 60 seconds. If you've ever worked with natural language processing, you've come across word embeddings. But what are they and why are they so useful? Computers don't understand words, they only understand scalars, vectors, matrices and tensors. Word embeddings are a way of representing words as vectors. By converting words into vectors, we can process them using math and apply them in machine learning algorithms. Word embeddings can capture the meaning of words and their relationships to other words, making them an invaluable tool for tasks like classification, translation, and sentiment analysis. So how are word embeddings generated? One popular method is called word-to-vec, which uses a neural network to learn the relationships between words based on their context. It puts words in a multi-dimensional space with words that have similar meanings close to one another. By using word embeddings, we can unlock the power of natural language processing and better understand the meaning behind the words we use every day. There you have it, word embeddings in 60 seconds.